guys. So cute.
What you doing? You're nestling next to your sister?
Yeah,
You leaning on her? She's letting you lean. Look how your tail is kind of straightened out. It's almost straight.
What?
Look at
What
that.
happened to that curly
But
tail?
Zulu's tail? No way, Jose.
She's like, I'm
Wound tight.
trying to sleep here.
I was just giving
those
Zinja a
beautiful
massage.
eyes.
Just giving him a massagey. Was Mama doing that and you were smiling at me?
Whoa, big yawn.
Yeah, you want a massagey too? Look at that little snaggle tooth just barely showing. The little snaggle. The little snaggle tooth.
There it is. We just saw it. Little snaggle tooth.
Hello,
Feisty boy.
Look at you. Look at, smile. You playing. You love your mama. What are you doing? You biting on her?
What was that?
Snaggletooth is more now. What are you talking about?
He said, get off me. Translation, I will eat your face. Get off me.
You love him. You so love him. Look at this. He's hugging you, Zulu. Looks like he's hugging you. He loves you.
They're too cute. All right, guys.
What? Look at your smile. Look at those ears back. Look at that beautiful face. Wow, what a big yawn. And your snaggletooth.
Look at that smile. He says, I'm smiling.
Zippoo, zippoo.
All right, guys. Bye-bye.